Good morning, students. We are going to continue English grammar chapter number 5, adjectives. Yesterday we were studying use of some of the most important adjectives. Today now again continue. Open your book, page number 33. 33 page. We shall study the use of further. Further. Far means distance. Further indicates distance, and further means distance, and further means addition. Something more about something. Further is distance. Further is not distance. It means addition of something. Example is here written in your book. The same example I am going to read. We moved farther from the school. We moved farther from the school. This sentence here, farther, indicates distance. We moved more distance from the school. Another example, I do not need any further help from you. Further help means addition, some more help. So when it indicates distance, use further, and it does not indicate distance, use further. Now the use of later, latest, last. Later, later means after. Latest, later, latest, both indicates time. Later and latest both indicates time. And latter and last, last. Latter, later and last indicates position. Latter means second position. Example from the book. She reached later than her sister. She reached later than her sister. Here later indicates time, after. Did you hear the latest news? Latest news means time, recent news. Now the use of later, last will indicate position. Example I give you. Later means second. Suppose Ram and Syam are friends. The latter, the latter is more intelligent. The latter is more intelligent means second, not Ram, Syam. In the book also written, he became rich in the latter part of his life. Latter part means not first part, not former part. Opposite of latter is former. So latter indicates position. And last, also position. December is the last month of the year. Last month, position. December has last position in month, in a year. So that's all. This is finished. Now let's discuss exercise. Choose a suffix from the box to form an adjective from the nouns in the bold. In the box are given here suffixes. We have to use these suffixes. And in the blanks in bracket there are nouns. We have to change those nouns into adjectives by using these suffixes from the box. First number, I speak the answer. First number, beautiful, cloudy. First number, beautiful, cloudy. Second number, feverish, ish, feverish, troublesome, some, some, feverish, troublesome. Third number, charming, enjoyable. Third, charming, enjoyable. Fourth number, coastal, coastal, healthy. Five number, attractive, mischievous, spelling MISCHIEVOUS. 6th number, complementary, ARY, complementary, artistic, TIC, artistic. 7th number, wooden, combustible, TIBLE, combustible. 8th number, leisurely, LY, leisurely, study, STARRY, study. 9th number, crowdy, Y, crowdy. 10th number, massive, IVE, massive. Muscular, MUSCULAR, muscular. B number, fill in the blanks with correct adjective formed from the word in brackets. The same question. First number, enjoyable, thrilling. First number, enjoyable, thrilling. Second number, entertaining, courageous, risky. Entertaining, courageous, risky. Third number, experimental, experimental. Fourth number, frightening, ING, frightening. 5th number, amazing, accidental, AL, accidental, amazing, accidental. 6th number, adventurous, ADVENTUROUS, adventurous. 7th number, satisfied, satisfied. So now fill in the adjective that first statement suggests. The first is done for you. First is done for you. Adjective we have to write. We cannot rely. Rely means believe. We cannot rely on this report. It is unreliable. Oh. From the first sentence, from the verb we have to make adjective. From rely, it has made unreliable. Second number, the business has not made a profit. It has been unprofitable. Unprofitable. Some people like imagination. They are unimaginative. Unimaginative. IMAGINATIVE. Unimaginative. Fourth number, there is no cure for this disease. It is no cure. Incurable. 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 5. Your loyalty is not in doubt. I know you would never be disloyal. Loyalty. Disloyal. 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 6 number, the 2 points of view cannot be reconciled. Reconcile means agreed. The 2 points of view cannot be reconciled. They are irreconcilable. Spelling IRRECONCILABLE. Seven, the fabric will not go up in flames. It is inflammable. Inflammable. FLAMMABLE. Inflammable. I cannot read or writing. It is unreadable. Unreadable. D. Choose correct adjectives from the brackets and fill in the blanks. The newspaper has the dash latest. First number. Second, I want to have dash information. All little information. Third number, there are no dash than 10 boys. 10 fewer than 10 boys. Fourth number, there is dash water. Some water. Positive sentence, some. Fifth number, he is my dash brother. Elder. He is my elder brother, not older. With family member elder used. Rule is that with family member, older not used, elder used. 6. She sold dash mangoes. Countable, so all mangoes. Whole used with uncountable. Mangoes countable, so all mangoes. 7. She was the dash to arrive at the station. She was the last position, last to arrive at the station. 8. Raj and Ravi are two brothers. The dash is a lecturer. Raj and Ravi, letter, L-A-T-T-E-R, letter means second. The letter, L-A-T-T-E-R, letter. So that's all students for today. Tomorrow we'll discuss the rest questions. Thank you.